Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 1998 Ford Thunderbird. This casting is by Hot Wheels and it's part of their new set Salt Flat from Silver Series. Does come with some better detail than a mainline. Still misses out on some details compared to premium. Does look like a nice car though. So let's open it up and see what has it got. So the Thunderbird is out of its box. The very first thing you will see is this paint. The dual tone paint, white and I won't say brown, it's more of, yeah, kind of brown, you could say. Does look good in this paint, and from the side you can notice it's a modified one. You can see the big hump in the hood and the spoiler in the back. Does look good. Wheels, I love those. I think Hot Wheels has nailed these wheels with Silver Series. They look really good. I think they can bring same design in a premium too if they haven't done already. It looks good, looks nice. Now let's start from the front now. So in the front you've got detailed headlamp, painted ones. You've got the Thunderbird logo patch, you can say. They said there's a big bulge in the hood, probably because it's got bigger engine. You can see, it looks different. Misses out on the mirrors, I don't know why. The door, there are not much details on the lower part. Just look good though. I like that headlamp and badge. Now coming to the driver's side, you can see, is it missing paint here? I think mine is missing a paint here, maybe scratch or something. You got a bunch of sponsor names in the bottom. Ford, that's a Ford. Poly, MST, Firestone. I think these are the exhaust on the side. Let me see. Maybe because it's got this in the back, so exhaust might be on the side. There's no window in here, so you can basically see the interior. It's in gray. Racing seats. So it's modified interior too. Obviously the wheels are different sizes because it's ready for racing, drag racing, all salt flats. And because of that, if you see in the back, you've got a big spoiler, and she looks like a parachute that would be deployed when you brake. These are wheels. I don't know why they're used. Maybe on the diecast, because if you have too much torque, it lifts up, so it stops you from toppling over, I guess. Even the rear, the tail lamps are detailed, which again look nice. And if you look here, you can see, which looks like a roll cage inside. And I don't know what else is there. It's a wheel well. Oh, it's a wheel well, bigger wheel well to accommodate the wheel. It's very different. So, don't have much experience about drag cars. So I don't know. The passenger side looks almost identical. The difference being the fuel filter cap. So overall, well, I think the mainline looks very close to this one. Doesn't have a lot of difference. But actually, you know what? Might have a mainline. Let me bring that and compare this one. So here's the mainline compared to Silver Series. And a few things you can see. Obviously, the paint on Silver Series looks slightly better. The details are slightly better. So are the wheels. And in the front, you can see the Silver Series has detailed, like painted headlamps, while mainline just has black ones. I think same is the case in the rear. So tail lamps are painted, not painted here. They do have different base colors. So interior also in different shade. Apart from that, I don't think there are any major differences. So should you get this one? Well, depends. If you like old Ford, you might want to get this one. Does have better details as I showed you, and actually looks good in this paint combination. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.